Hey guys, it's your girl Jules and I'm back again with another video. So today this video is going to be a very important video. First and foremost, I'm going to be opening this package and I'm going to be showing you guys how I take photos of my stuff because it's a really beautiful day outside and my daughter is asleep, so we need to hurry up and jump into this video. First and foremost, I'm going to say that I wholesaled some lip glosses. I didn't buy like the regular lip gloss stuff and put them in the tubes and stuff like that. I'm not gonna do that yet. I actually decided that I would wholesale some glosses, so I got 50 glosses for $53 off of Etsy. And I'm just gonna open this up so you can see what all we got. This is okay. So I guess maybe I wasn't expecting it to be like that. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my glosses. Ooh, these are looking good. I'm gonna show you. So this is my clear one. Ooh, and it's filled up. So here's my pink one. Here's my blue one. I need to see my silver one. I actually have to make sure that I have, and they smell good. They smell really good. Everything is okay. Where's my? All right. Kind of missing some. Okay. So. All right. It's not what I asked for. I'm not seeing what I asked for ever. So actually, let's see. Yeah, so I'm not seeing what I asked for. Oh my god, guys, I thought I was gonna have what I asked for. As you can see here, I asked for 15 clear, 15 glitter, and 10 blue and 10 pink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I was supposed to get 10 blue. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 blue. Just make sure again, guys. I have to make sure again. And there's a lot of, these are a lot of damn clear that I got. Or whatever. Okay, so these, this is just terrible. All right. So let's keep going with the video because this is not what I asked for, and I'm mad because this is not what I asked for. Or whatever. So, but I'm gonna keep on going with this video. We're gonna take some pictures of these products because the blue, I'll take pictures of the blue and the pink and the clear. I can still do this video, but unfortunately, guys, I'm very upset with my unboxing because it wasn't what I asked for. So just stay tuned.